Drawing fruits is an important part of sketching practice. By drawing fruits, we can not only practice basic shapes and structures, but also improve our ability to express light, shadow, and texture. Today, we will explain how to sketch simple fruits, pear and apple. First, we need to observe the basic shape of the fruit. Different fruits have different shapes. For example, an apple is typically round, while a banana is curved. Before starting to draw, observe the proportions and the outline of the fruit. Next, use light pencil strokes to outline the fruit. At this stage, don't worry about too many details. Just make sure the shape and proportions are correct. You can use soft pencils, such as 2B or 4B, for the initial outlining. Then, start adding shadows. The way you handle shadows is very important, as it enhances the three-dimensionality of the fruit. Observe the position of the light source, and determine the direction and intensity of the shadows based on it. Use harder pencils such as H or 2H for lighter shadow areas, and soft pencils for the deeper, darker sections. When drawing shadows, use a gradient effect to express the fruit's curves and volume. Gradients are achieved by gradually deepening the shadow intensity. Make sure the shadow transitions smoothly, without harsh lines. Next, add details to the fruit's surface. For example, the surface of an apple often has a shiny sheen, which can be highlighted by erasing some parts with an eraser to show the reflective surface. Additionally, pay attention to the texture of the fruit, such as the roughness or smoothness of the skin, which can be expressed through variations in shading. Finally, don't forget to continuously adjust the entire drawing, ensuring the coordination of light, shadow, shape, and details. The beauty of sketching comes from careful observation and expression. Keep adjusting and refining until you're satisfied with the result.